Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to make a chicken Hainanese rice with all the simple ingredients. This one is the vegetable broth. This is what I'm going to be using, and it's not going to be just water, but I'm going to be using vegetable broth. I'm using this boneless and skinless organic chicken thigh, and we are going to use clove of garlic, green onion, and ginger. And I'm gonna be using Instant Pot, easy and simple homemade organic chicken Hainan rice. Okay, stay tuned. So first, I'm gonna put the vegetable broth in my Instant Pot, about 1 or 2 cups, just enough to steam the chicken. And next, I'm gonna put the chicken. So here's the chicken thigh, and I just put it inside the pot. Be cutting the green onion. Gonna remove the root here and just cut bigger and put it all over it. And now I'm gonna be peeling off the ginger with the spoon. Put it here. And now I'm gonna be using garlic. So I have put the garlic inside there, and now I'm gonna just sprinkle a little bit of salt because the vegetable broth already has salt with it, but I'm just gonna put really maybe a quarter of teaspoon. And now I'm ready to use my Instant Pot. So next, let's put it in the Instant Pot and cover it up. I'm gonna cover it up. Don't forget the valve, it has to be this. And I'm gonna be doing the pressure cook for 15 minutes and just leave it on. And meanwhile, I'm gonna be washing 3 cups. This cup is coming with the Instant Pot, so I'm gonna wash it and then make it later. And for the condiment, I'm gonna be chopping the green onion. So now we are ready for the broth, and next I'm gonna put it rice, the one that I already washed, into the pot. And I think I still need a little bit of water, so I added the water. And just make sure the surface will be all covered with water, just like that. And next we're gonna be cooking it for 15 minutes. Here you go, and let's wait until the rice is done and stay tuned. So it's done, the rice, and let it just release naturally. Just gonna leave it like that for a little bit, and I'll be back and get ready to eat. This is the already naturally released, and I'm gonna be opening this. So this is how it looks like. It's still warm and smells so good. So I see the garlic here, and this is the texture. Smells so good. Hainan rice is done. So let's prepare. Over here, a little bit of rice for the little one. Now we're gonna put chicken, the chicken tight on the side, and I'm gonna put the green onion as decoration, and the condiments on the side. And don't forget to add cilantro. It's optional. I love cilantro. And here you go, Hainan chicken rice. Thank you for watching.